Coming to the stage is Mr. Poetic from the Love Pain Chronicles.
I told you a long time ago, Reginald, I don't need no introduction.
Reginald, you talking to yourself. Wait a minute, wait a second, yo.
Wait a minute, wait a second, yo. Bitch, stop playing. What the fuck you said? Every time niggas step inside the studio, I swear to God, I hope to God. That they be spraying. Niggas be throwing subliminal shots. Niggas be playing, nah, serious, sarcastic mode, but so serious at the same time. Man, I'm so unpredictable when I spit my rhymes. Moment of silence, man, moment of silence. I told you a long time ago, when I'm silent, what? Yo, I'm seeing vibe, I ain't the one to play with. Nah, am I a game console? Nah, my system is so different. Yo, my mind stay drifting. In my state, I stay different. Yo, different motherfucker, different mentality, mindset. Yo, wait a minute, wait a second. Yo, bitch, stop playing. Who the fuck you said? Messing with me? Yo, bitch, are you playing? Bitch, I ain't playing. Rhyme be so overdose. Every time I see my lyric, you in comatose. Bitch, are you playing? What are you saying? Nah, man. Every time I speak, what? Yo, bitch, I be spread. The subliminal shots, moment of silence. It is clear to see, not really. I can't see shit clearly. I ain't got my glasses on. No glasses, nah, man. My mind is everywhere but somewhere. You don't understand what I'm thinking, cause I don't even understand what I'm thinking sometimes. Yo. Guitar case up, and I'm taking shots at everybody, nigga. I'm not talking about music, nigga. I'm taking shots at anybody, nigga. Everybody wanna talk that shit on me. Wanna speak so deep they hold me like they understand me, understand my mindset, cause my mindset moves so different, bitch. I am. Now they gon' say myself. I'm not playing it safe. I'm not playing it protecting, nigga. I ain't protecting, nigga. I don't need no protection, nigga. I'm a up and coming artist, nigga, and I need all my run that shit back and run that shit up, nigga. To understand, I give no fucks. I be like, oh, let me sing on my track for a minute, cause you little niggas playing, boy. I ain't Desperado, nigga. I ain't got my finger on the trigger. When I'm rapping my music, I ain't singing no song. I ain't got my finger on the trigger. Desperado, boy. I ain't Desperado, nigga. Desperado, nigga. I ain't got caught up, got locked in, got locked around in the library. I had to read a couple books to get my mind back in motion. Gotta get back in motion. Hey, look, I swim through this music like I'm swimming in the ocean. Nigga don't understand, look. I got that potion up. They better take it, nigga. Take a couple shots when they come to a nigga.